That's okay, baby. You okay? You okay? I'm so sorry, baby. Mommy's so sorry, okay, baby? Okay? Sorry, bud. You okay, Mom? You okay? It's okay. We've been at the hospital for 3 hours now. I am tired. I'm sleepy. I'm ready to go home. I've been up all night the past few nights because my children aren't feeling their best. They aren't feeling their best. Is it good, baby? Is it good? My baby nap apple. Go squeeze. So I not feel well. I not feel well. My baby put all this stuff in his hair. No. Yes. Why you put all this stuff in your hair? No. Oh. Uh-oh. You said I better put all this stuff in your hair. Because he was done eating earlier, so he put all this stuff in his hair. Because he was done. Oh, let me see, baby. Oh. Yeah, he was done eating, so he decided to put all this stuff in his hair. Mommy put them rubber bands all over your hair. Now it's parted. My baby hair. My baby hair is parted right down the middle. I took my baby hair down. I was supposed to wash it. Mom gotta wash her hair tomorrow. Because I took your hair down and I was supposed to wash it, but I didn't wash it. You still got that part sitting in your head. It's okay, baby. Oh, baby. It's okay. You're gonna be alright, okay? Okay, buddy? It's okay, buddy. I didn't get my key. My baby don't want no key. You don't get my key? He said, I don't want no kiss. So I'm not feeling well, Mama. You trying to get a kiss from me? Well, baby, we been here. We been here almost 3 hours. Almost 3 hours. And my baby oxygen level was between 91 and 95. And they still sent us back out there. Then I said we should have went to the other hospital. But the other hospital 20-some minutes away. So we chose the hospital that's like 4 minutes away. I'm sleepy. I'm tired, baby. You said me put all this stuff in your hair. Said, Mom, I put all this stuff in my hair because I was mad. He was ready to get out the hot chair. So he just put stuff all over your hair. Him and his brother do this every day. So excuse his hair. And then I went on to get his hair down. See, I have 4 ponytails. Baby, Mommy gotta pay his gas. I'm paying his gas. I got some relief. Mommy gotta pay his gas. You gotta take a picture of your mommy, okay? You okay, baby? What's wrong? You ready to go? Me too. So I'm ready to go? I'm ready to go? Oh, my baby trying to slap me in the mouth. So I'm ready to go? Say, Mama, stop rushing the process. So I'm ready to go? Let me sleepy, baby. I haven't been in no sleep, baby. So yeah, according to the doctor, my baby is wheezing. Of course, I already know that. They did an X-ray and all that. They tested him for RSV, etc., etc. They tested him for other stuff like. Well, they didn't tell me what they was testing him for. They usually don't tell you. You have to ask, and I usually be the one to ask. They weight the baby, don't tell you how much they weigh. Check the baby height, don't tell you how much the baby height, don't tell you what the baby height is. Get a baby medicine without telling you what they giving your baby. And I'm like, what is that? What did you give my baby? They just give your baby medicine without even saying, well, can I give your baby this medicine? Or are you okay with me giving you this medicine? And these are the side effects. They don't take the time out to tell you about the side effects of these medicines. This is why I don't do hospitals. This is why I don't do stuff like this. I don't do hospitals. But my baby had been miserable the past few days. My baby had been miserable all the time, you know. And then, you know, I had to come here some days ago because my baby busted his head. And he was bleeding, so I had my 2-year-old. Oh, you okay? Oh, you was burping and pooing at the same time. Yeah, big relief, huh? Yeah, mom need to change her diaper too. Because I know you probably pooping. What you just put in my mouth? You put hair in my mouth. Where you get that hair from? Get your nasty hands in my mouth. I'm gonna fight you. I don't know what them nasty hands been. I'm finna leave this hospital. I'm about to leave this hospital. And no, I'm not signing no medical thing. Oh. Because, you know, if you decide to leave a hospital without getting treated while you're here, they'll try to make you sign like a form. I forgot what they call. Because I remember when I was pregnant and I tried to leave the hospital, they tried to get me to sign some form. I think I signed one of them probably twice. Yeah, because y'all got me wait 6 hours. I might well leave. But anyway, we be here almost 3 hours. Probably been 3 hours now. We tired. We're ready to go home. My baby is miserable. You might well just be miserable at home, baby. It's too much light. It's too much. I'm gonna get you out the carrier, okay? I know, baby. I've been here 3 hours. 3 hours. I'm finna go. It's okay, baby. You know what, baby? know, baby. I'll drink us some herbal tea when we get home, okay, baby? So we're gonna stay on our herbs, so we won't have to ever worry about coming here again. We'll have to stay on our herbs, baby, okay? We gotta eat healthy. Eat healthy and stay on our herbs, and we won't have to worry about coming to the hospital. Yeah, so pretty much like I thought. They basically discharge us without doing anything. Just like always. I don't give a damn what's going on. I'll never return to the hospital again. Because they don't do shit. Not a damn thing. The lady just came in the room and she was like, okay, we're gonna discharge her. What the fuck? I'm like, huh? What the fuck? He didn't see no doctor or nothing. But she said they test him for. I was okay. So what did they test him for? Because they didn't tell me. They don't never tell you. They just do shit and don't tell you what they doing. They get them medicine, don't tell you what kind of medicine they give. Like what the fuck? But yeah, she basically was like, it's negative for COVID, flu, RSV, and they did a chest X-ray, and I'm guessing it's negative for pneumonia, pneumonia, and that's all they did. But when I tell you, and then it's like, how do you know when to really return back to the hospital?
You can't. It could be a different situation.
I know, that's the thing. Like, they not gonna do shit. So it's like, I don't give a fuck what's going on. It's best to stay your ass at home, and it's best to heal at home. Because these hospitals is sorry as fuck. My damn baby sound like he damn blowing a damn train.
So what did they say to do?
She just said that she called in a steroid.
Yeah, just be on the steroid.
And she was like, she gave him steroid, the steroid that he spit out. Let me put this in. And then she was giving him the medicine. I was like, what are you giving him? Because, like, they just be giving your child medicine. Excuse me, let me put this in. They just be giving your child medicine and don't tell you what the fuck they giving your child. So, I was like, what did you giving him? And he was spitting it out. And she was like, steroid. The steroid thing. Look at that Christmas tree in that window. That's ridiculous. These hospitals is sorry as fuck. I swear to God. Hospital is literally the worst place you can go when something is wrong. It's best you stay your ass at home. I don't give a fuck if you having a heart attack, bitch. Stay your ass at home. I don't give a fuck what it is. I don't give a fuck if you in a coma, bitch. Stay your ass at home. Because they gonna finish killing your ass.